Hi Gorky and Charlene, welcome to Rangmanch TV. Alright, so let's talk about how it all began and how did he go on to become your Arjun?
Okay, that's a very funny story. Probably you haven't heard.
No, even I.
Yeah, so might come as a shock. The auditions were happening, and I was looking for somebody older or whatever. So I'm assuming इसके audition का CD आया होगा. I must have seen his face, and I said, yeah, what should I? So screw it. So move on. But a mail came back from Star saying he would like you to take a look at Charlene. So I called up the girl who's doing the casting, Pariti, and I said, "ये Charlene कौन है? इसका तुमने audition क्यों नहीं भेजा मुझे?" इससे भेजा था. I said, "No, I haven't got it because I don't remember seeing his audition." So she said, "नहीं सर, मैं दोबारा से भेजती हूँ." She sent me one CD which just had his audition. And so I saw, I was taken again aback by, I said, अच्छा ये है Arjun. Okay, how does this work now? So, I started finding faults. अरे यार इसका दांत थोड़ा जो है खराब. But over that course of the night or whatever, and as I've said earlier also that I trust Gul and Nisar's instinct a lot, so I called them and I said, वो देखा तुमने क्या? तो थोड़ा young लगता है, क्या है? So Gul said he's young but he's good. I think he'll work. So that night I think I must have watched his audition about I think about 50 times, if not more. And I kept thinking, how will it happen and how will he do it. But by the end of it in the morning, I said, chalo theek hai, main milta hu. And I met him, and when I met him, I saw his body language, and I wanted a certain body language to the character. And actually, when I met him, then I realized I had gone with a very firm mindset. इसका जो चिप टूथ है वो मुझे ठीक करवाना है, ये करवाना है, वो करवाना है. But when I saw it and I saw that the character works on it, if I just let go of that mindset about the age bit, so that's how it happened. And so I think it was very embarrassing for him because first day we met I was telling him कि अच्छा अभी ये करके दिखा, सर नीचे कर और देख मुझे अभी. So, and he kept doing that. So that was our first meeting. So first meeting का, and then I told him, I said कि अभी जो है you're in for more embarrassment if you think कि ये ज़्यादा embarrassing है तो मिलना अभी. Gul and Shivani are coming, and so just. And then Gul and Shivani walked in.
Oh, I call that the torture chamber. मतलब stand, turn.
Stand, sit, turn, and it's like you talk as if he's not there. And you say, अच्छा देखो इसका ये क्या है यहाँ पे इसके अच्छा
biceps नहीं है.
No यार biceps तो नहीं है, थोड़ा work करना पड़ेगा. We are just discussing him as and he's just standing. Turn around, exchange of look. क्या हो रहा है? What do you think? Is that? So the whole day he was subjected to that, for a good 3-4 hours. But by the end of the day, I think we were pretty convinced that he was Arjun, and yeah, that's how it happened. And the rest were minor things. कि कितने दिन की दाढ़ी रखनी है, 3 दिन की या 4 दिन की या 5 दिन की,
कौन से नंबर पे,
किस नंबर पे जो है
बाल.
So those were minor setups, but yeah, that's it.
So how did you make the character meet the actor? Did you make changes after seeing the guy? Because you said you wanted an older looking guy.
Yeah, see, more or less, but we kept it same. That has something to do with when you're creating the character, you feel कि वो ऐसा होगा ये वो. मुझे लगता था कि थोड़े उसके मतलब he should be slightly thoda bahut grey at the temples. But so those are just physical attributes. That's not really that important. What is important is what comes across, and what are his signature style that I wanted. The eyes that speak, the clenching of the jaw, as I call it.
That is my one emotion that I hold the longest and the strongest. That you'll see.
Don't move your lips, clench your jaw, clench your jaw. So he's become an expert at it. So he just looks and clenches his jaw very well. I think he's the best clencher in the industry. So,
And that's a very funny story myself, because when I went for the auditions, I saw the script. So I saw ऊपर 33 years old, handsome, good, well built looking type of person, and
good, that's wishful thinking.
and I was reading it.
That's it, yeah.
And I read it, और उससे पहले मैं had spikes and all that stuff. I told I was like, sir, ये मेरे हिसाब से नहीं हो सकता मुझसे. बेटा तू ऑडिशन तो दे दे. ठीक है सर, ऑडिशन दे देता हूँ. So what happens is जब आप स्क्रिप्ट पहले ही पढ़ लेते हो ना, और आपको लगता है कि आप नहीं कर सकते हो, so you have that thing in the back of your mind कि नहीं होगा. This is the only show, and I'm not faking that. I was too sure I won't be there. Like मेरे को यकीन हो गया था ना, मेरे को तो उम्मीद ही नहीं थी. I didn't even know कि लुक टेस्ट के लिए बुलाया क्यों. ऐसा था.
No, but as an actor, when they told you that this is the character you have to play, how did you perceive the role, or what is the preparation you did from your end?
We underwent a lot of workshops for that.
He had a lot of workshop. We had a teacher for him, Ehsan. That's his name. He's from NSD. In workshops, I briefed him because I think certain aspects of him are, in certain aspects he's completely like Arjun. In certain aspects he's completely different. So, just matlab I still find it strange, because जैसे कट बोलो ये जो है बहुत मजाक करने लगता है को एक्टर्स के साथ, या हंसने लगता है कि क्रैक अ जोक, तो but I'm still in that zone, and suppose I've said cut and I'm thinking ki, okay, suppose he's added something for the scene, or I feel like I should take another shot from another angle possibly to enhance what he has done, and I'm still thinking and within those 5 seconds I turn back to the monitor and I see him smiling and I get the shock. What the hell? Why is Arjun laughing so loudly? So there is Shaleen. I rarely call him Shaleen actually. Arjun, clench your jaws. So that's but apart from it, I think what I wanted Arjun to have is he should have a clean heart in that. He should be a good person. I think he's that.
Thank you, sir. I was waiting for it.
So I think in that aspect he's similar. So he finds it pretty easy to play that character.